Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can add a new email or phone number to Zelle. So let's jump right in. Step 1. To update or remove your mobile number or email address in Zelle, log into your online or mobile banking account. Go to the Send Money with Zelle option under the Move Money menu. Once you're on the Zelle landing page, tap the gear icon in the bottom right corner. Step 2. In the Zelle settings menu, you'll see the mobile numbers and email addresses currently linked to your Zelle account. You can link up to 2 mobile numbers and 2 email addresses. Step 3. To add a new contact, tap the plus icon. Enter the mobile number or email address you want to add. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code. If you entered a mobile number, the code will be sent via SMS. Check your text messages and enter the code on the verification screen in the Republic Bank mobile banking app. Step 4. If you entered an email address, the verification code will be sent to your email inbox. Open your email, find the 6-digit code, and enter it on the verification screen in the Republic Bank mobile app. Once you do that, tap Verify to complete the process and successfully add the new contact. Step 5. You can now remove any other mobile number or email address linked to your Zelle account that you no longer use. Just select the Enrolled X icon next to the number or email you want to remove. Step 6. A confirmation message will appear saying, "Are you sure you want to delete your number?" Tap Delete to confirm and remove that phone number or email from your Zelle account.